All right, we are still in the middle of a weather impact alert, but only for this year. It's just checking out the cams. This is actually light snow falling on the ground. It's not just flurries. There's a little bit more than that going on. So any mountain travel now until this evening heads up. The roads are still mostly snow covered. A lot of chain control still in place. If you want better conditions, I would say tomorrow afternoon is the best bet. The reason why is because overnight, anything that's wet is going to ice up big time tonight and early tomorrow morning because it's going to be cold. We're looking at temperatures in the 50s, but I do want to point your attention to what's happening down the road. We still have these snow chances until later on this evening, but then we're going to clear up. And where we're going is a really nice spot. It's pretty amazing to me, at least, because I think we're looking at active weather for the next week or two. But the 3 days that are showing up as the best of all happen to be on a weekend. Rarely does that ever happen, but it's going to happen this weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all looking good. Cold and rainy weather comes back next week.
Okay, Rob, thank you. Here now a recap of some of the top stories we've been following. A volunteer organization is alerting people about the massive amount of needles they're finding in and along Sacramento waterways. They're calling for an urgent review and real solutions to better protect the community from the hazards. The union representing 96,000 state workers in California has filed an unfair practice charge. It's over the governor's mandate for remote workers to return to the office for at least 4 days a week starting the 1st of July. SEIU Local 1000 says the order violates union members' contracts and bargaining rights. Workers across the state will be protesting in several cities the 12th of March. The John Moss Federal Building on Capitol Mall in downtown Sacramento, one of 6 government buildings that could possibly go on sale in the county. The U.S. General Services Administration says the federal buildings being considered for sale are not core to government operations and primarily consist of office space.